She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
babies, thank you so much for watching this really quick 5-minute, super easy, glowy and bronzed makeup look. I wear this, if it's not every day, definitely every single time I film, and it's super simple. It's so affordable because I mostly use drugstore products, and especially with the products that I showed in this video, so anybody can have access to these products because they are all affordable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my Wednesday vlog. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure you do that, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys Wednesday. Mwah.